In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert and cite sources using a reference management tool in your document. This handy practice is especially crucial for anyone working on academic papers or professional documents, as it ensures your work is well supported and properly credited, lending it credibility and thoroughness that every scholarly piece needs. To get started, you'll want to place your cursor exactly where you foresee needing a citation within your text. This is important since it anchors your reference directly to the relevant piece of information, making it easy for your readers to connect the source with the content it supports. Next, navigate over to the References tab in your document management software. Here, you'll find the option to insert a citation. Simply click on this, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select Add New Source. It's here that the real fun begins. A dialog box will pop up, and you'll be faced with a variety of different source types to choose from. Whether you're citing a book, a journal article, an online resource, or something else entirely, it's crucial to accurately select the correct type of source to ensure your citation is formatted correctly. Once you've chosen the type of source, you'll then need to fill out all the required details. This might include information such as the author's name, the title of the work, the year of publication, and the publisher. It's imperative that you take your time here to double-check all entered information. Accuracy at this stage is crucial, as any errors could potentially mislead readers or call into question the reliability of your citation. If you find yourself needing additional fields to input more detailed information about your source, there's an option to Show All Bibliography Fields. Clicking this will present you with further options, which can be beneficial if you are dealing with more complex or less conventional sources. This allows you to present a comprehensive citation that captures all the necessary details specific to that source, thereby ensuring full transparency and accountability in your documentation process. After you've input all the required and any additional information, a simple click on the OK button will seal the deal. This action stores the source in your document's list of sources, making it readily available to cite again should you need to refer back to it elsewhere in your document. This not only streamlines for future referencing, but also ensures that your document maintains a consistent and professional appearance throughout. By following these steps, you've effectively inserted a citation into your document. Utilizing these tools not only makes citing sources more straightforward, but also allows you to focus more on crafting compelling content that is well supported and credible. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, keep writing with confidence and clarity.